Hi everyone, it's Brittany Bryan. I decided to do my report on immigration. And I decided to do my report on immigration because everything that's going on in the world today. Yes, more than a few decades, immigration has been a subject matter of the U.S. political debate for our policymakers. Um, and our president has been doing a lot to upset people around the world lately. So during his president campaign, one of his key purposes was to build a wall to prevent people from entering the United States illegally. And today, yes, he does want this promise to come true. Um, within his first year, yes, he people going away because with the problem of arresting immigrants inside of the country. Even though they did not create any security threat anyway, I feel like they just came up here to get a better life for them and their children. I feel like some people might try to justify this treatment, this school treatment, by just saying they deserve it because they came to America or our country with not the right documentation. So yes, they should be deported. Yes, they should be um, arrested or anything. But yes, they did. They know they are risking their life by coming over here. Um, a lot of these people have good relationships with their coworkers, their job, children, everyone by coming over illegally. Um, with the arrest and have the deportations of the undocumented has become massive human rights issue in America today. Not just only a human rights issue, but also it's a social justice issue. Immigrant families have been divided with children taken away from their parents in cages. And that's the thing that hurt my heart. I feel like the children are innocent in this case. If you're born here, what's the problem? Children have no say so in what's going on in the world. Um, they're underage. They really don't know what's going on. They're scared from their parents. They're scared to put in cage. It's like animals. Who does this? Society has a way of overlooking these issues, which I do believe they don't understand that the individual being deported are being treated worse than most crimes and criminals today. It's easier for lost and informed issues can lead to deportation with no right of return if the person is arrested. This is such a worse. This punishment is such worse in many ways than a prison sentences because the person in jail can get out and go back to their normal life. These people are being deported back to the country, which probably worse than coming to America. That's probably why they don't get away. So yeah, it's harsh. It's terrible. But however, despite principles that the discrimination and abuse support immigration standards, the violations of the human rights U.S. government policies still allow human rights violations against migrants and immigrants. Although there has been consideration of the possibility of comprehensive immigration reform. So yes, the president does want to build a wall, but he doesn't have the money for it. And he's trying to get the Democrats to pay for the wall. So I'm not sure the wall's gonna be get built or not. but I really don't think it's going to get built. So I think he has to figure out another way to get the wall built and to keep immigrants out of the country, which I still don't understand his big reason for treating people like animals. I so I decide for the ethics to do servicing dignity and worth of a person. Social work for excellent happiness to apply public needs such as social justice. And we need this because this issue was going on today. It's not social justice. It's just crazy and outrageous. To treat a person in kind, respectful manner that is not what's going on in the world today. These people are getting treated like animals and criminals, and it's just sad. And I know I picked this topic, but it hurts my heart to talk about it and then watch everything that's going on the news right now. These are all violations of what's going on with immigration in the present day are human rights and just and social problems. Um, yes, with my human rights articles, yes, no one should be subject to torture, cruel, inhuman, or degrading treatment or punishment. What is going on? These people are being treated like animals. They getting tortured. They getting arrested for no reason, for not having any documentation coming in the U.S. Families get separated. And also in Article 9, no one should be arrested or detained or exiled. And that's exactly what's going on in the world today because our president, I still do not understand his reasoning for what he is doing, but it's just outrageous. And my question is for you to answer and help me figure out if can grant legal status to long-term immigrants improve the lives of the U.S. citizens who came to the United States illegally. Is it possible? Also, what's the consequences hang over immigrants here forever in the United States without authorization? Yes, should this go away? Should we keep it? Will it go away? I don't think anyone should be this hang on someone's head forever just because they came to the U.S. Illegal. Should we consider the possibility of comprehensive immigration reform in the United States becomes more important than enforced immigration laws? Also, how would you feel if your friend was being treated the same way immigrants today? In my opinion, I want to answer this question myself. If my family was being treated like this, I would treat like this, I would be pissed. Please, excuse my language, but I would be pissed off. I would not want to see my family like this in this type of. I can't even explain it right now. But I know President Trump, if this was happening to his family, I know he would be upset. So I don't know your thoughts. Give me some feedback and let me know. Thank you so much.